it's me, Hasbet with WTI, and just like so many people, I own an iPhone. And this time, I wanted to share with you why I like this one so much. This is actually my previous iPhone that now my husband owns, and I am actually obsessed with the fact that he can still use it because it has worked so well for the past years. It is really sleek and stylish, and it fits perfectly in our hands. Everything runs incredibly smoothly thanks to the powerful A14 chip, making it easy to switch between apps and get things done quickly. The display is stunning. It has vibrant colors and sharp details that make watching videos, taking pictures, and recording look very real. And one of my favorite features, of course, is the camera because it takes amazing photos, even in low light, so I can capture all my favorite moments beautifully. Plus, with 5G, everything loads super fast, whether I'm streaming music or browsing the web. I love how it works, and my husband loves it too. He uses it every day and he hasn't had any trouble with it. It makes his everyday life easier and more fun, and that is my point of view.